Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And now let's continue with the reset. So first you will need to wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Look for the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called About Your Watch. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and look for the option called the Reset Data with the bin icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Come on. The touchscreen seems to be a bit wonky. And once you tap on it, you will need to confirm by pressing the middle button right here. And wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.